Whitehead Junior is the new biggest scam in the internet or online world today. आप chronology समझिए. पहले आया scam 1992 by हर्षद मेहता. Dan came in multi-level marketing. आप 3 लोगों को चूतिया बनाएंगे, वो और 3 लोगों को चूतिया बनाएंगे, वो और 3 लोगों को चूतिया बनाएंगे, ऐसे ऐसे करके पूरा देश चूतिया बनेगा. Then came in Whitehead Junior, coding classes for 6-year-old children. And they're offering some guaranteed package of about 50 lakhs per annum at the age of 12.
Oh my god! Wow!
This is not a roast video. I'm not gonna put down Whitehead Junior or anything like that. This is just another video of mine where I will be speaking the truth and spitting some of the facts. Actually, I was just about to upload this video and one of my friends just messaged me in WhatsApp and said that here's one example of what's going on in the online classes of Whitehead Junior, and here's what it is. I want you to have a look at it. Just look.
एनरोल मत करिए.
नहीं, लेकिन अभी तो आप कह रहे थे कि एनरोल कर लेंगे तो आप सब बता दोगे. चलो मैं एनरोल
हाँ,
कर दूं.
तो
आई गारंटी यू आई विल एनरोल. आप डिफरेंस समझा दिए जावा और जावास्क्रिप्ट में अच्छे से.
ठीक है. सो तो जावास्क्रिप्ट जो लैंग्वेज होती है, हम उसको गेम बनाने के काम करते हैं, और जो जावा लैंग्वेज होती है वो एक हाई प्रोग्रामिंग लेवल लैंग्वेज है.
हाँ,
और वो हम C++ में काम करते हैं उसमें.
हाई प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज का क्या मतलब होता है मैम?
सर क्या मतलब होता है इसका?
आप बताइए ना.
सर मुझे तो नहीं पता है ना. हाई लेवल प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस का मतलब होता है जावा, उसी से यूज करते हैं. तो अब मैं उसके अलावा क्या बताऊं?
आप बताइए ना, हाई लेवल प्रोग्रामिंग का मतलब क्या होता है?
सर
क्या
मुझे नहीं
छत
पता.
पे चढ़ के कोडिंग
मुझे
करते
नहीं
हैं?
पता सर. सर आपको यही सुनना है ना कि मुझे पता है कि नहीं पता. सर मुझे नहीं पता.
एग्जैक्टली मुझे यही सुनना है. टीचर से अगर पैसे दूंगा तो मैं यही चेक करूंगा ना कि टीचर को पता है कि नहीं पता है. और क्या
सही
चेक
बात,
कर
सही
सकता हूँ
बात.
मैम मैं? आप क्या
ठीक है. तो
इस
सर मुझे
सिचुएशन में क्या चेक
सर
करूंगा कि
ठीक है, तो
Whitehead
मुझे
Junior
नहीं
का कितना
पता.
फंडिंग है,
इज
Whitehead
दिस
Junior को कौन
सैटिस्फाइंग टू
हैक
यू
करता
सर?
है, ये थोड़ी ना मैं चेक करूंगा. मैं ये तो यही चेक करूंगा कि टीचर को कितना आता है. आप बता
सर
दीजिए
एक
हाई
बात
लेवल
बताइए, ये
प्रोग्रामिंग क्या
आपकी
होता है.
इनकी पहली ट्रायल क्लास है?
इसकी हाँ पहली ट्रायल क्लास है. हाँ,
सर ऐसा लग नहीं रहा, इसलिए पूछ रही हूँ आपसे.
नहीं मान लो दूसरी है फिर.
तो वो मुझे
मान लो
पता चल गया ना कि वो पहली है कि दूसरी है.
नहीं, वो आपको पता चल गया और हमको भी पता चल गया कि आपकी भी पहली क्लास है.
हाँ.
हाँ.
अच्छा, तो मतलब मेरी गुंजन के साथ पहली क्लास है, आप ये कह रहे हैं?
नहीं, आपकी कोडिंग में आपका कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ.
हाँ, तो सर हमारे जो व्हाइट हैट में है उसमें हम लोगों को जो ट्रेनिंग दी
आपका
जाती है
कोडिंग में
उस
क्या
हिसाब से
एक्सपीरियंस
हम
है?
पढ़ाते हैं.
आपका कोडिंग क्या
हमने
एक्सपीरियंस
करिकुलम
है?
नहीं डिसाइड किया सर.
आपका गिटहब
करिकुलम
पे
डिसाइड
अकाउंट है?
करने वाले
गिटहब पे
अलग
आपका
लोग
अकाउंट
होते
है?
हैं.
लीड कोड पे
क्या
आपने कभी
सर?
कोड किया है? गिटहब पे आपका अकाउंट है? आप
नहीं.
अपना लीड कोड पे,
नहीं.
गीक फॉर गीक पे आपने कभी कुछ चेक किया हो?
नहीं.
गीक फॉर गीक किस चीज़ के लिए साइट है मैम, बताएंगे आप?
नहीं पता.
तो फिर आपको कोडिंग का कोई आइडिया नहीं है मैम?
तो सर फिर नहीं है फिर आइडिया.
नहीं तो फिर आप ऐसे.
Now, before talking about Whitehead Junior, let's talk about broadly the internet first. Why do people say that the internet and the online world is eating people up? So the internet, what it does is it plays with your insecurities to earn money. There are a lot of Instagram pages with motivational quotes like, I don't, a single piece of paper don't decide my future, this, and a lot of things like that. If you are somewhere between 6 to 14 years old who's thinking of joining Whitehead Junior and learn online coding, or if you are a parent or anyone that wants their children or their relatives to join Whitehead Junior and learn coding at the age of 6 and then earn about 50 lakhs per annum 5 years later, then keep watching this video till the end. This video is gonna expose a bit of the dark thing that's coming to you from the internet. Okay, so Whitehead Junior, coding classes for 6-year-olds. First of all, before I even start anything else, I'll just say that 6 साल का बच्चा कोडिंग नहीं कर सकता. Even if कर सकता है, coding is not meant for 6 years old. It's a very tedious process. It's a very complicated process and it requires higher amount of skill set, and not only skill set. So basically, why is coding necessary? Coding is done to make games or applications and other things like that. Now, if you know coding, you can make the game, you can make the app, But there's a lot more than just coding that's required to make a game. There's imagination, there's presentation, there is higher and broad level thinking. Those things comes first, then comes in coding. 6-year-old kids are meant to go outside, play with their friends, learn new basic things, learn manners, learn etiquettes, learn how to talk to elders, and learn some other important things that will help them in the long run in the future. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about science. A human brain can possess about 8 types of intelligence. There are basically 7 to 8 types of intelligence that a human being can acquire in his life. There's logical and mathematical intelligence, there is naturalistic intelligence, there is artistic intelligence. There are a lot more intelligences like this, and all of us has different quotients of this intelligences in our brains. For example, I can be a bit better on the musical side of intelligences, but someone else, my friend, can be better on the naturalistic side of intelligence. Someone else can be better in the mathematical and logical part of intelligence. And no matter what kind of intelligence anyone possesses, all of these intelligences can be improved with time and practice. For an example, let's say a kid has a great logical and mathematical intelligence. Now, to increase his intelligence, we start small. We start by teaching him minor subtractions, additions and small calculations. अगर उसको बचपन में इंटीग्रेशन, डिफरेंशिएशन एंड कैलकुलस सिखा दिया जाएगा तो ना तो उससे उसका इंटेलिजेंस बढ़ेगा, एंड मोर ओवर विद द passage of time he will lose his interest in the whole subject of mathematics. Now, to increase that kid's intelligence at the age of 6, rather than feeding him long 5 pages long numericals of differential and integral calculus, if his or her parents sends him or her to a cricket field and allows him to play cricket with his friends, then he has to use his mathematical brain to calculate the runs, the overs remaining, the balls remaining, the wickets gone, and in that way those small steps helps him to increase his mathematical intelligence in the long term. There are actual reasons why kids are sent out of their home to play sports with their friends, learn friendships, learn communication skills, learn manners, etiquettes and a lot other things. And moreover, before even working on improving intelligence, the first step is to recognize the intelligence. What if the kid is having a great musical intelligence and he could have been a great guitarist or a flutist or a singer in the future, but there comes in some brand like White Hat Junior and tells their parents that no, this kid is meant for coding and you have to teach him coding. 6 साल के बच्चे को कोडिंग, उसको मिट्टी विट्टी खिलाओ. Now let's come to another logic. Some people say that just like kids are sent to drawing or art or craft or music or sports classes in their childhood, some of the children might be interested in coding. So why not take coding as a hobby for a 6-year-old? First of all, 6 साल के बच्चे को कोडिंग सिखाने से पहले उसको कम से कम 2-4 गेम्स खिला लो. Let him know what is the presentation of the game, what is the graphics, what is the VFX, what is the music, how a game works, how a game is presented to a customer or a player. Codings, programming languages and computer engineering are the skills which are meant to be developed at the age of 18, 20 or 25 or at that age. 6-year-old kid is meant to just play the games. First of all, let him know how the thing works. First of all, let him work on his creativity, his imagination and other skills that are required to make a game or an application. Yes, but there are also some kids who are interested in coding and programming languages at the age of 6 rather than just playing the games. But the results, the cases are 1 in a million. A perfect example would be Elon Musk. He read more than 1,000 books at the age of 10, designed his first computer game at the age of 12 and sold it to a company for $500. A self-taught rocket scientist. 100 साल में मैक्सिमम 1 या फिर 2 बच्चा ऐसा पैदा होता है. And the thing is, for them to learn, they don't need online platforms like White Hat Junior. There is something called self-learning. Self-learning is the only key and option to that level of success, not online classes. Even if somebody don't want to be the next Elon Musk, he just wants a very high paying job at one of the biggest brands of the world like Google or Starbucks. Let me tell you that about 20% of all the employees in Google and Starbucks doesn't even have a degree. They're not searching for degrees and papers. They are searching for real life problem solving skills, and those problem solving skills would not come by sitting in front of the laptop for 16 hours a day. People need to face real life problems to solve and conquer those real life problems. मान लिया कि 6 साल की उम्र में उसने कोडिंग सीख के गूगल या फिर स्टारबक्स में जॉब ले लिया, बट आफ्टर गेटिंग द जॉब देयर आर मोर स्किल्स देन जस्ट कोडिंग एंड प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज that required to get a promotion, like social skills, teamwork, manners, etiquettes, and a lot more. So at last I'd like to say that there is a specific time for everything. You don't marry someone at the age of 10, you don't get a job at the age of 8, you don't go to school at the age of 60. And if you are in contact with someone who's planning to go to Whitehead Junior or who are planning to send their kids to Whitehead Junior to learn online coding classes, then think twice and just say hello. Anyways, that's all for today. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.